Gaush are always working hard for our Amaris users. Therefore, we're extremely proud of having Gaush as our partner in China for over 10 years now. It's a partnership with a real spirit of innovation. So, we wanted to express our thanks to Gaush in a very special way. But what could this be? Words are words, but action is much better. So, we tried something very special, something unique, something you will never see again. The Gaush 10 years celebration dance by SCHWIND. So, now it's showtime.
Dear Gaush team, Gaush and SCHWIND ATEC Solutions are celebrating their 10th anniversary today. We from SCHWIND ATEC Solutions would like to thank you for a successful and trustful cooperation all over these years. We are proud and happy to be able to cooperate with such an outstanding organization and team. Thank you for everything and looking forward to continue our cooperation for a long time.